know we'll make it right. We've been here before.
Hello and welcome to my channel. This is the Kid in the City. I am Jontee. If this is your first time, welcome. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button. If this is not your first time, you already know we're getting into another eyeshadow detail. One of my favorite palettes. I feel like I have 12 videos with this palette at this point. It's the Soft Glam Anastasia Beverly Hills Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. A super easy eyeshadow look. It's only 2 colors, 3 brushes. Like, it's super easy. So if you want to see how I created this nice, easy eyeshadow look, stay tuned because we're jumping right into it. Okay, so we are back with the eyeshadow detail. We are getting into my favorite. We already know what palette it is. It's the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. This is what we're going to be into today. I'm doing a very easy, very simple nude eye. Yeah, it's not gonna do the most. Like 2 colors at most, maybe 3, but 2 colors at the most. But yeah, we're just gonna jump right into it. I have no clue what shades I'm gonna use. We're just gonna go off the vibes. We're just going off the vibes here. So I'm going in with my Sephora Best Skin Ever concealer in 35N. And I am just going to base the lid. And then just blend it out.
Artlist.io.
I know we crossed the line. It's hard to ignore.
Okay, so now we're gonna set it with our One Size setting powder in the shade Dark Deep. We're just gonna take a baby puffer like so, and I'm just going to set the concealer with just that little bit of powder.
This way is down on me. You've got me on my knees.
Music licensing reimagined.
Again, easy peasy. So I'm gonna start with Sienna, and Sienna is this gonna focus? Sienna is this nice little orange tan, and then I'm also gonna do Cypress Umber, which is that brown, which is one of my favorites. So yeah, we're first going to start with Sienna, and I'm gonna put this over the entire base of the eye. This is going to be my base color. So again, nothing crazy. Y'all see that? It's very light. Very light. It's giving light.
For my restless mind. Please give me a way to escape.
Then with the Anastasia brush, the fluffy side, I'm just gonna blend that out right below the brow bone, like so. You feel me? Do you feel me? All right, and then I need a firm. Okay, with another soft, short, firm brush, I'm gonna go in with Cypress Umber. And this is just gonna be my transition shade, just right on the outer part of the lid. And then down at the bottom. So again, very simple, but still getting that dimension. So like that Cypress Umber, the darker brown, is just gonna put that dimension into like that depth. And that dimension into the eye, darling. You know, just a little bit. She's not doing a lot. She's not doing too much. She's just doing what needs to be done, you know? Just like that, okay? This is an easy look. Okay, I lied. I'm gonna put a little bit more right here. Okay, and again with the Fluffy from Anastasia Cleaned, we're just going to blend her right into Sienna, and then again right below the brow bone, like so. See, she's easy, she's cute, she's fun, she's about business. Man, I cracked myself up, man. Okay, I'm gonna go back in with Sienna to just put a little bit of that right on top of the Cypress Umber. Again, I want everything to be blended and cute. And that's really gonna be her. That's really all the girls are doing. That's really it. Like I said, you can have an easy makeup look and still have some eyeshadow. The eyeshadow don't have to be a damn crazy ass cut crease or all this other stuff. Look at that. Easy peasy. I do, again, I'm gonna go in with the fluffy side of the Anastasia brush, and I just want that a little, like so. And that's it. Okay, so now we are just going to copy and paste. Okay, so this is the look so far on both eyes. I don't think I'm gonna do anything on the bottom lid. I'm not 1000% sure. I'm not 1000% sure. I may not. So we may come back with the bottom lid, or I may come back with the final look, because this is it. I don't know. I always say I'm gonna do a little and I end up doing a lot, so I don't know. But for right now, I'm not gonna do anything on the bottom lid. Well, maybe I will. Decisions. Stay tuned. I'll be back with we'll continue this in a minute. Alrighty, so here we are with the final eyeshadow look. I stuck to my guns. I didn't put anything on the bottom lid. But again, this is a very super easy eyeshadow look. Again, I only used 2 colors. The palette that we went into again was the Soft Glam palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I only used 2 shades, Sienna and Cypress Umber, and that's it. That's it. That's all. That's it. Yeah, just super easy. It's still very brown, very bronzed. You know what I'm saying? It's still, I just feel like it gives the things. I feel like paired with the lashes, it looks so good. But again, it was just super quick, super simple, super easy. And that's it. Of course, if you want to watch the full glam video on the rest of the face of makeup, I'll tag that right here. You can watch that. But this again was just the eyeshadow detail just to go over this palette and a super easy lid. But that's it. We are out. We are, well, I say that we are in and out with another quick and easy eyeshadow detail. But that is all from me. I do thank you so much for watching. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you chose to be here with the kid, and for that I thank you. Until next time, bye.
We're gonna stray.